Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, on Sunday participated at the World Meditation Day celebrations at Kanha Shanti Vanam in Telangana and highlighted the timeless relevance of meditation in fostering inner peace, emotional well-being and social harmony. Addressing the gathering, the Vice President said that meditation is a universal practice that transcends cultural, geographical and religious boundaries. The Vice President recalled India's role in co-sponsoring the United Nations General Assembly resolution declaring 21st December as World Meditation Day, describing it as a global recognition of the power of meditation to promote mental well-being and spiritual growth. He also appreciated the contribution of Daji in spreading the practice of meditation globally. He added that India, with its centuries-old traditions of meditation, yoga and spiritual inquiry, continues to offer enduring wisdom to the world. Highlighting India's civilizational heritage, Radhakrishnan said that meditation in Bharat has long been regarded as an ancient science of the mind and spirit, nurtured by sages and seers. Drawing upon teachings from the Bhagavad Gita and the Tamil spiritual classic Thirumantiram, he emphasized that mastery of the mind through meditation leads to inner harmony, self-realization and ethical living. Calling upon citizens to integrate meditation into daily life, Radhakrishnan urged individuals, families and communities to lead by example and encourage future generations to embrace practices that promote mental peace, balance and harmony. He said that national development must encompass not only economic progress but also emotional well-being and spiritual upliftment, and that meditation can contribute significantly to building a peaceful, resilient and compassionate society.